Hello, my name is Alexis Stubbs, and I will be doing a presentation with Marissa Hoisington and Sarah Miner on teaching third graders how to write vowels in cursive. So, we have presented a Nearpod presentation, and given the Nearpod presentation, the students will be able to recognize and write cursive vowels legibly with 8 out of 10 correct, or no more than 2 letters off per word that they will write. So we have the Nearpod presentation shown. The lesson is called Fill in the Dashed Line, and the students will watch the video. The video will show them, and we'll show a few seconds of it. They'll show them how to write each vowel in cursive. The students will then imitate the different letters in cursive. There are dashed lines that show the outline for each letter, so they will trace the dashed lines provided to them. And then after they learned how to do this and they've learned successfully how to write each vowel on their own, they will use the knowledge that they have to write full sentences in cursive. Let's begin. Alright, this is the video that we are giving the students to look. It's a 8-minute video, but we'll just show a few seconds. So it has different letters that they will have to write out, and it shows how to write them. So they'll just watch that video and they'll learn the basics of how to write each letter. And then here are the interactive worksheets. So this is for the letter A. So it shows the steps in writing each letter. So they have the dashed lines given to them, and they will trace these. They will trace these letters, and there's also 2 words given, and they will trace these out after they see what they look like. And the E letter is also given, so they will do this exercise as well, and this will be on a smartboard, so they're able to have students go up and write the letters on their own as well. So it can be a guided practice, or once they have done this on the smartboard, you can print these out and have them do independent practice as well. Here's a couple more. So they have different other letters for the students to do, other vowels, and it basically goes through all the vowels. It explains how to write each cursive letter. Then they give illustrations of different items that start with that letter. For instance, owl is O and umbrella is U. Alright, and then after they learn how to effectively and legibly write their their letters in cursive, they are going to write sentences in cursive on their own. So we gave a few sentences, and the first one is I played outside. So the students will have to write this in cursive. Now they've worked on writing vowels in cursive, but the video also showed them how to write these other letters in cursive. So it's understandable if they miss a few, but they just need to get a basic understanding about how to write these. So they have the sentence, I played outside today, and also have the sentence, I love my dog. And then after they do that, the students will given an opportunity to do more independent practice, and they can write their own sentence, and they can be as creative as they want. So they're given that opportunity. So they were able to have instruction, guided practice, and independent practice. And good job. And I hope this helps you with your lesson.